Hey guys, we got a 2023 Kia Soul. I'm going to show you to replace the cabin air filter. So you're going to open the glove box. You're going to pop this piece out right here, just like that. Next you're going to pull in these sides on each side to drop it down. And then we can just pop this down like that. From there, the door is right here. One here, push these down, slide that out, your air filter door is right there. Pull it out, check it out. This one's definitely dirty, so we're going to replace it. I'll link one in the description for you, and remember that the airflow points down. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.